Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to stop unwanted calls on your iPhone. If you've been getting calls from numbers you don't recognize, this guide will help you take control. What are unknown callers? Unknown callers are simply calls from phone numbers that aren't saved in your contacts list. Your contacts are the people you've added to your phone, like family, friends, and your doctor. Here's a helpful tip. Make sure all your important contacts are saved in your phone first. Add your family, friends, your GP surgery, anyone whose calls you always want to receive. Right, let's do this together, step by step. Step 1. Find the Settings app on your iPhone. That's the grey icon with the cogs on it. It looks a bit like the inside of a watch. Tap on it to open Settings. Step 2. Scroll down the list until you see the word Apps. Tap on Apps. Step 3. Now tap on Phone. This is where all your phone call settings are kept. Step 4. Scroll down until you see Screen Unknown Callers. This is the main feature we want. Step 5. Choose one of these three options. Never means all calls ring through as normal. Ask reason for calling is really clever. Your iPhone answers and asks them why they're calling before your phone even rings. It's like having a receptionist. Silence sends unknown calls straight to voicemail without ringing. Step 6. Optional. If you want to block spam calls too, scroll down a bit more to Call Filtering and turn on Spam. This stops those annoying sales calls. That's it. You've done it. Important to remember, if you call 9999, call screening turns off for 24 hours so emergency services can reach you. You can change these settings anytime by going back to Settings, Apps, then Phone. A final thought. Try one option and see how it feels. You can always go back and change it. Your phone should work for you, not the other way around. Thank you for listening and enjoy your more peaceful phone.